Okay, Outre, this one is a whole vibe, y'all. Look at this. Yes, honey. These curls, though. This density. I am ready for summer, girl.
You keep on your boat. You and I just spending my mode. Seafarer, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free. At least inside my mind, there's no confines from what I seek or what I speak. A bit of peace to let my mind at ease. Music's all I need, a little comical relief. Grief comes in waves, so maybe that's why y'all been drowning. Smiles to the world, but in your bathroom you are frowning. Down in the uppers for supper just to feel down again. I know you're lost, but ain't no shame in getting found again. Fuck synthetic happiness, the ultimate deception. I'd rather feel alive even if swimming in depression. Cause I never wanna lose myself to the power of possession. No materialistic things that seem to lead you to aggression. Yeah, what am I protecting? What you been neglecting? I'm talking sense of self, I know my presence is a present. Elevation is my favorite type of antidepressant. Even through life's devastation, know my vibes illuminescent.
You keep rowing your boat. You and I just spending my mode. Seafarer, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Hey guys, welcome back to Fake Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit from Outre. I'm wearing this one in the style Halo Stitch Braid 14 inches and the color number 1B. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this one, you do get 3 combs, 2 right here and 1 right in the middle, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. And it does come with this detachable adjustable headband braid situation, which is really cute, and I like the fact that you can take it off, leave it on, wear how you want it. So it does come with 13 by 2 HD lace parting space. It does come with baby hairs. It's pre-plucked. So the density on this unit is nice and full. I want to say it's about 150%. It's definitely not too much hair. I feel like if they were to put more of this on this shorter unit, it probably would have been too much. But I feel like the density on this is really nice. And of course, the more you fluff it out, it's going to get bigger and bigger, girl. So I kind of would just leave it how it is. I did finger comb it just a touch, and I kind of am liking the look that I'm getting with it. As it says on the card, this is 14 inches, so it's very natural, girl. These curls, right? The texture on this one is definitely medium hard yaki, if that makes any sense. It feels like with this texture, the curls are going to be able to kind of keep their uniform shape, so I definitely am here for that as a whole, girl. So this one is definitely coming off small, medium head friendly, but as far as it being big head friendly, I definitely would just stray on the side of caution, just because this one doesn't have much stretch to the cap. So I feel like if you do have a larger size head, this one could be an issue for you. My head is about 21.5 to 22 inches, so definitely keep that in mind when I say this unit is small to medium head friendly, girl. This unit is also heat friendly up to 400 degrees. If you wanted to go on and pop some heat on this bad boy, you definitely could do that, honey. This is definitely giving me everyday hair vibes, and I am all here for it. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. Honestly, I can't say I have any cons. I'm so happy that I picked up multiple of these units. I'm so happy I got it in both styles, because like I can't pick which one I like better. They are super cute. I just like this whole look. It's something different, something unique. This one I feel like isn't necessarily as versatile as the 26-inch one, just because it's shorter, so it's a little bit tougher to get those looks going. But at the same point, I feel like it's still worth it because it's cute. Like, I would just wear it like this and be good to go. This is definitely a throw on and go for sure. My pros on it are, I really like the hairline, I like the density, I like the curls, I kind of like the cut and what they're doing here. It feels kind of like a kinky curly afro situation. This is just an entire look. I am all here for it. Nothing negative to say about it. I'm happy that I got it, girl. You know, I will not steer you wrong. So like if you do not have this in your cart, honey, go and pick this one up because it is worth it. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up in any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.
You keep rowing your boat. You and more. Seafarer, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throat.